We are explaining how to draw polylines in AutoCAD as fast as possible, and we are starting right now. Hi guys, welcome to MTS Civil Tech channel. This is our AutoCAD course for beginners. You can check the playlist in the info card or down in the description. If you like our video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. So today's lesson is about drawing polylines in AutoCAD. To start, type shortcut DL or from the home tab, draw panel and choose polyline. So we use this like we use line command, but lines are connected. AutoCAD define rectangles and polygons as polyline. Polyline is a great tool to draw complicated layouts, and it is easy to modify, and it is drawn as one object. So what option do we have? Let's see the command line. So we have length, ignore it, just enter the number, and we have undo, Control Z is better, and width, increase the width of the line. The shortcut to any option is the blue character while you are inside the command. So we specify starting with 0.5 and enter. Another option is half width. It gives you a line with width just like the width option, but the value you enter is from the center line to the edge of the polygon. Alright, let's set width value to 0. Another option is close. It won't work until you have two edges at least to have a shape to close. Another option is arc. We pick end point and continue. If we want to go back to the line segment, we type L and enter. In arc option, we have a new set of sub-options. First is angle, included angle. Next is drawing by determining center point of the arc. Third is close option. Pay attention, it will close with an arc, not line. If you want a line segment, choose line. Next option is direction. You determine the direction of the tangent to the start point of the arc. We also have width and half width option. Another option is radius. The last option we have is second point. So you have the start point and pick the second point and the end point. A simple 1, 2, 3 point arc. And that's it. Everything you need to know about drawing polylines. We will have more talk about polylines and how to modify them when we start our modify panel lesson. So look forward to it. Our channel is just starting with a huge educational plan for any civil engineer. We really need a lot of support to continue. If you like our video and the content we offer in it, if it is helpful to you, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to activate notification to be the first to see our new videos. Thanks for watching and supporting. Goodbye.